Hey gardeners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to grow cucumbers at home. Fresh, crunchy cucumbers are a delight in any salad or snack, and growing them yourself is easier than you think. Let's get started. First, choose the right cucumber variety for your garden. There are slicing cucumbers, perfect for salads, and pickling cucumbers, great for making homemade pickles. Decide based on your space and taste preferences. Cucumbers thrive in well-draining fertile soil. Mix compost or well-rotted manure into your garden bed or potting soil. The ideal pH level is between 6.0 and 7.0, so test your soil if you can. Plant cucumber seeds directly into the soil after the danger of frost has passed. Plant seeds about an inch deep and space them 12 inches apart if you're planting in the ground. If you're using a container, ensure it's at least 12 inches deep. Cucumbers need plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. Water them consistently, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water at the base to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to disease. As cucumbers grow, they need support. Use a trellis, cage, or stakes to keep the vines off the ground. This improves air circulation and makes harvesting easier. Feed your cucumber plants every 2 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer or a slow-release granular fertilizer. This will encourage healthy growth and a good yield. Watch out for pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. Use organic insecticidal soap or neem oil to keep them at bay. Also, be on the lookout for powdery mildew. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent it. Harvest cucumbers when they're firm and dark green. Check daily as they grow quickly. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut them off the vine, leaving a small stem attached. And that's it. Growing cucumbers at home is rewarding and fun. Enjoy your fresh cucumbers in salads, pickles, or straight off the vine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!